Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I look so fucked up. I just did my mascara and I'm doing my hair right now. Kind of just gonna curl it. Reason being is because today is my drive-by baby shower and I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. But I'm so excited and I'm excited to see everybody stop by. And yeah, so this is the look right now. Yeah, so I will get back to you guys when I curl my hair completely and then when I'm trying to decide it on an outfit, so you guys can help me out. I'm back. I did my hair. It's not completely done. I'm gonna touch it up again. I just have to go help and set up. But I'm freaking indecisive. So I have this dress. Oh, sorry guys. This one, it's like a rosy pinky. So this is my first choice. It's off the shoulders. And it's pink. Or, give me a second. I have this one. This one's super freaking cute. It's off the shoulder too. And yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna call Fernando and I'm gonna ask him and then he can decide. We got cupcakes with these, and then we did Rice Krispies, and then some popcorn, and then the backdrop.
Yeah, I was gonna say 6 bedrooms is still tiny. He has a donor car in the backyard.
Oh, really?
So it's the day after the baby shower. It's 6:40 and we just got all the presents here at the house. And it looks like we just freaking moved in. We have so much shit. She got so much clothes. I will give you guys an update once I take out all the clothes from the bags. And then we got another package. I have my little brother here. Oh my god. And then what's in there?
I love it. Is that it?
Open one. Let's see. So by seeing this, if you guys can guess what we're gonna do on the next video, we're gonna do the nasty soda challenge. So what did you do? So just stay updated for that video. That video should be up maybe by this weekend, if Fernando and Josh are ready to do that video. So yeah, I will update you guys with all the clothes that we got for the baby once I take it out of all the bags. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. Oh, look at my grandma made these, and then the little pillow. It's super cute. But this is all like duplicate stuff. And then yeah, big old piles of clothes. And then I already had washed some clothes, and then that's still stuff over there. And yeah, so now to wash. So you guys saw a little bit of the drive-by baby shower that we had, and now this is Monday, 2 days after, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make my green enchiladas. So yeah, we're also gonna make some rice. So I'm just gonna use 1 cup of rice, and I just blend 3 tomatoes, a little bit of onion because we don't really like the onion a lot, and then the chicken bouillon consomme. And then for the chicken enchiladas, you're gonna need a bunch of cilantro, 6 to 7 tomatillos, depending on how much you're gonna make, 3 jalapeños and 4 serranos, depends on how spicy they are, and then a little clove of garlic. So yeah, and I already put the chicken to boil. And then I'm gonna make them with homemade tortillas as well. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you know how to make the rice. You just brown it first a little bit to where they get white, like that one, like some of that, like that one. And then I blended my tomato concoction, and make sure you add so I just added 1 cup of water to that, and then I'm gonna add another cup of water extra, because you add double the amount of water that of your rice. And I'm making this first because this takes longer, and then I'm gonna boil all my chiles and then blend that. So once I'm doing that, I'll show you guys. I'll be right back. So like you guys saw, I add about a spoonful and a half, depending on how much rice I'm making, of the consomme. And then once it boils, you guys taste it for sal. If it needs more, you guys can add more. And then so once it's boiling, stir it a little bit, and then turn down the heat to like a low temperature, and then close it, and make sure you guys don't open it for like 20-25 minutes. That is the key to making rice. As my grandma has told me, you don't open it because then no te sale bien. And yeah, so I also put my chiles to boil, and my chicken is done boiling, so I'm just gonna wait on that. And yeah, and then I'll be right back once I'm starting to make the chile and the masa. So once your chiles start to look kind of like this, like more dull, I guess I would say, they're pretty much ready. So we can go ahead and put them in the blender. Oh, then I did forget to mention that I do add a little bit of cebolla as well to the chile, not a lot. And my grandma always said, que si se no te bomban, you're not making them right. So after I'm done making the tortillas, I like to cook the chile. So I put a bit of aceite in a little pan, and then I'm gonna put, excuse it, that button, some chile. But not all of it, because you're gonna use some of it on top. Okay, están calientes. Oh, and then turn on the oven so So I did a few, and then we're gonna put some pollo and then some cheese. So then you put them in the oven for a few minutes, and yeah. So this is the finished product, and you guys can top it off with anything you guys want. We didn't have avocado, so we didn't put avocado. So my little brother's gonna try them for the first time.
I bomb.
Are they spicy?
Kind of.
Kind of.
They acted good.
He doesn't put anything on his because he's freaking plain.
Bomb.
And Fernando's gonna try them right now.
Oh, these are always fire, bro. Like, the ones I've been waiting for are the red ones, but no me las ha hecho. Pero, a ver qué.
I've been wanting red ones too, so maybe I'll make them one of these days.
So this is the real way you prep enchiladas? I don't know about that boy over there. Then, gotta have the crema mexicana con sal del mar. Bam. Now I'm weird. I always gotta have like a portion of like every bite. So don't judge me, guys. If you guys see me eating weird on this fucking post, like, see what I mean? Like, I gotta have an even bite every time. Oh, or I'll just eat it like this. I'm very messy. I eat with my hands too, so I apologize.
Do they come out a little spicy? Yeah.
Yeah, they
A little bit, huh? A good kick.
The aftertaste is a kick.
Yeah.
You kind of see it. You kind of feel it on the tip of the tongue, huh?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm gonna eat. So that was it for this video today, guys. You guys can also make the enchiladas with regular store-bought tortillas, but I decided to make them with homemade tortillas today. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and click the little bell so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys.
And if you don't think I'm worth it, how could you walk away? Every time that you tell me you're wrong, I start to thinking in my mind keeps telling me no.